master plan. Red letters on the table, static in the mind. Voices in the silence telling me I'm out of time. But I stood in the workshop at midnight, hands shaking, sparks flying, and I learned something. You don't wait for permission. You build. From broken boards to open doors, from anxious breath to steady core, every crack, every doubt, every storm I figured out. Kick starts low and distant. Patch it, rewire, hold the line, breathe in, redesign. Functional hearts, stand align, riser climbing. No blueprint, no backup plan, just discipline and calloused hands. Wing it till it works through the fire, from survival mode to something higher. Bills didn't end me, fear didn't win, pride didn't break what was built within. I've rebuilt boards, I've reset mine, I've tightened bonds, I've realigned what they called chaos, I call design. Heartbeat louder, baseline grows, pressure sharp, but now I know. Scratch the skyline, grind a throne, everything I built alone. Crowd, clap, rhythm underneath stack. Get shifted, stabilized, bed, dead, lifted, let it rise. No retreat, no disguise. Silence before impact. It wasn't perfect, it was progress, repair over retreat, strength under stress. You don't conquer fear, you outlast it. Pet swell, kick drops out, choir test. Measure, move it, stay composed, ground it, control it, overload. Every failure, fuel inside, every setback, amplify. Drums double snare rolls, tension rising higher than before. No blueprint, no fear, no permission. We beard playing. No map. Just pressure and decision. Wing it till it works. Empire. Pads fade, single echoing kick. Red letters, racing thoughts, broken words, forgotten dreams. No blueprint, no perfect start. Just hands that refuse to quit. This wasn't love. This was built. Brick by brick, breath by breath, tighten bonds, defying stress. Scrap to structure, storm to spark. Every setback left a mark. Patch it, calm it, fix the strain. Hold it, shape it through the pain. Measure, move it, make it yours. Pressure opens We built this from nothing, from fear to fire, from fraction moments to an improvised empire. Patch the cracks, rewire the mind, keep it functional, redesign. From scrap beginnings, we rise higher, improvised empire. That didn't break me, panic didn't win. Pride didn't end it, I adjusted within. No polished resume, no flawless plan. Just late nights learning with calloused hands. Every argument mended, every doubt I faced. Every failure refined me, didn't go to waste. Heartbeat louder, crowded nights. Pressure forged the sleepless nights. From survival mode to architect. Every scar a side effect. Grounded, balanced, stay aligned. Shift it, lift it, redesign. Trust it, push it, stand your ground. Turn your fear into sound. Storms to solid cast, no perfect start, no safety net, just discipline and no regret. Patch the cracks, rewire the fire. Functional hearts build higher. Empire. It wasn't the money, it wasn't the fear, it wasn't the pride that kept me here. It was choosing repair over retreat, choosing progress over defeat. Life doesn't hand you finished design. You fabricate purpose, one piece at a time. Robbers, empire, hear it ignite. From red letter mornings to main stage lights, from panic rev to steady mind, from broken boards to structured spine. Patch it, rewire it. We built it, we aligned it, we didn't wait, we became the fire! No blueprint! You provide! No blueprint. No permission. Just pressure and decision. Empire. Static in my head, heartbeat like thunder. The world isn't breaking, it's just my wiring under pressure. Circuits strain, feel like lightning in my brain. Ground it, slow it, breathing deep, trace it, face it, don't let it sweep. Rewire the mind, reset the spark, storm in my chest, light in the dark, no panic owns me. I redesign, improvise healing, rewire the short fuse moments, voltage high, but I repair boards that almost fried. If I can solder, copper thin, I can steady what's within. Pressure rising, but I stay centered in the surge, won't fade away. Hold it, control it, count to 4, feel it, release it. I've been here before. Rewire the mind, no overload, calm in chaos, stable mode. I'm not broken, I refine, improvise strength, survive. But evidence says I'm still alive. Every breath, a steady line. I'm the engineer of this Rewire the mind, power restored, fear unplugged, system rebooted and soared. Storm turns to inner shine, improvise control, rewire the mind. Rewire the It was never broken, just overloaded.